Alright, to live action. Ito na po ang ating third quarter. James Yap. Ito kagad ang pinuntahan ni Coach Ryan Gregorio sa kanilang first possession, and James Yap really trying to take it strong to the basket. Alam natin, masyadong mahigpit ang pagkakabantay sa kanya ng Pure Foods or ng Santa Lucia rather in the first half.
You know, that's a setup play coming off the halftime break. At pinapakita rin dito ng Pure Foods is we know that we have struggled in the third quarter like you can see on your screen, but we're gonna go to our best offensive weapon on the first play para itong Santa Lucia hindi kaagad bumuelo.
Alright, at tanong natin kay Eric Reyes, ano ba pinag-usapan ng Pure Foods at DAF, Eric?
Well, Richard, nakausap ko si Coach Ronnie Magzano at sinabi niya sa akin, they really have to put a good defensive stop on Williams and Espino here in the third quarter because alam nila si Williams gumagawa ng third. Sabi niya, Game 7 is really a player's game. That's why they have to be patient and they have to battle it out. And finally, sinabi niya, this team is really a team of survivors. Kaya sinasabi nila sa kanyang mga players para mas inspired sila. Kaya kita naman natin ng first half, ganado even the players coming off the bench. Richard?
A major concern talaga para sa Pure Foods itong third quarter because Santa Lucia has outscored Pure Foods by an average of 8.6 points per quarter in the third quarter of the series. 8.6 points per game in the third quarter dito po sa series na to. At ito naman, Richard Yip. Hugot dito ni Coach Ryan Gregorio. Gives Pure Foods ay 5-point lead. Sa paring naman ng Santa Lucia, ano kaya pinag-usapan nila, Dominic?
Dalawang bagay lang pinag-usapan nila. Defensive rotation dahil madaming ang nalilibo sa ilalim. At pagdating naman sa rebounding, they need to stop the offensive rebounds. Itong Pure Foods TJ Giants na napakadami ng puntos na na-score nitong Pure Foods.
Alright, thank you very much, Dominic. And you can see the concern, of course, the rebounding. That's really a big concern. Yan rin po ang naging problema nila against Pure Foods in game number 6. Here's Roger Yap, a tough shot.
Oh, that's a bailout foul. Not a good foul on the part of Ryan Reyes.
Oh, kasi wala na nga sa balance, wala na sa forma.
Remember, for those that tuned in late, etong Santa Lucia, hindi ganun kalalim ang kanilang guard rotation niyan because Paulo Mendoza sprained his ankle in practice before today's game.
Kahapon lang napakaturo po niya yung paa nitong si Philip Butel. So he stepped on the Butel. Di ba? Kaya tatapilok siya. Ito, 6-point lead na po ito ng Pure Foods. Playing in front of a crowd on over 18,000 po. Yung biggest since Game 6 of the 2004-2005 Philippine Cup Finals. Nung nanalo po ang Ginebra over TNT.
You talked about that good run of Santa Lucia usually in the third quarter. So far, in this third quarter, etong Pure Foods naman ang may magandang run because they have held Santa Lucia scoreless up to that point.
And look at this guy, Bitoy Omolon, making up for lost time. Wala nga po na puntos ng game number 6 na yun, already with 6 points. Here's Roger Yap. Kirby Raimundo. James Yap has an open look. Here's Denok Miranda, cross-court pass. Kelly Williams drives baseline, nasaraduhan. Dennis Espino against Richard E. Espino. What's up? Yes! Total of 9 points for the captain ball of the Realtors.
Talked about one of the key guys to stop in the third quarter, Dennis Espino. Nabanggit yan ng coaching staff ng Pure Foods. And right now, that's the points coming pula kay Dennis.
Now off balance doon si Mark Pingris. Ito, turnover. Dennis Espino ngayon. Binigay kay Joseph Yu. Back to Dennis Espino. And Espino just ties the ball game at 50. And a quick timeout called here by Coach Ryan Gregorio. Santa Lucia once again starting their onslaught here in the third quarter.
Kanyang simugod sa dagsa ng tao dito at lakas ng ulan na walang pato siya ng wallet niya pero okay lang. Alas kanina nakasalubong ka naman ng isang 60-year-old Lola all the way from Pangasinan dahil naramdaman daw niyang mananalo na ang Pure Foods ngayong gabi. Kaya back to you guys.
Kita mo naman talaga yung mga die-hard na fans itong Santa Lucia at ang Pure Foods. Sila rin po nagsasakripisyo, hindi lamang mga players. And Kelly Williams missing on the 3-point attempt. Todo-todo ang suporta ng mga fans sa kanilang mga kupunan. Here's Roger Yap, open look. In and out. Joseph Yo, sinalubong ni James Yap. Tabla pa rin po tayo dito, 50 all. Miranda orchestrating the play. Here's Bitoy Omolon. Bitoy Sumugod. Fakes once, kicks it out. Denok Miranda, 5 to shoot. Denok, offline.
Well, actually had that first shot open, pero nailang siya kay Mark Pingris. When he decided to go for that jump shot, wala na sa balanse.
Every shot here is pressure packed, no? Dahil nga, the championship is on the line. James Iap! No! Here's Santa Lucia on a fast break. Denok Miranda, back to play to Kelly Williams, underneath the basket. An acrobatic shot by Kelly Williams sends the believers of Santa Lucia up on their feet.
Richard, kaya merong mga deboto talaga at tumami ang mga deboto ng Santa Lucia because of the athleticism of Kelly Williams. They are in the crest of an 8-0 run itong Santa Lucia. Itong si Coach Ryan Regoya forced to call an early timeout to stop that run. But still, his team has been unable to score after starting this quarter with their own 5-0 run.
17 points total para dito kay Kelly Williams. And Mark Pingris is bottled up in another turnover here para sa Pure Foods TJ Giants. As the third quarter has been their quarter so far in the series. Kelly Williams, ikot ng bola. Joseph Yo, inanap si Dennis Espino against Mark Pingris. Yo, posts up for 3. Bang! The end the rest para kay Joseph Yo. A total of 7 for Joseph Yo.
Itong Pure Foods need a basket right now. Santa Lucia on a tear, 12-0 run so far. They need to make a basket to stop the bleeding.
Eto, tingnan natin, may bigay ni Noy Casillo. Kicks it out to Yap. Eto na si Kirby. Kirby drives baseline, 12 moves. Supal pa lang inabot. Agawa ng bola. Napunta kay Pingris. 3 seconds to shot clock.
He doesn't know it.
He doesn't know it. And another turnover against Pure Foods. Back-to-back turnovers here for the Pure Foods TJ Giants.
And you know, the turnovers piling up, Richard, sa quarter na to here in the third quarter. Pure Foods already with 3 turnovers. Remember, they only had 7 the entire first half.
Alright, ito po ang TM Press na binitawan ni Joseph Yo. At sa inyo ng bagong TM Discard SIM. 30 pesos lang, may bagong discarte ka na. That gave Santa Lucia 6-point lead. Ito na ngayon si Dennis Espino. Sumugod sa loob. Dennis Espino umangat. Pero may foul. Third quarter, except for one game na nagtabla itong production ng Santa Lucia Pure Foods. That was game number 2. And everything napunta na sa way ng Santa Lucia. Yan po si Dennis Espino, of course, the veteran. First pick overall back in 95. Looking for second PBA title. Tuwan-tuwa po ang mga deboto ng Santa Lucia. Santa Lucia is making a serious run. James Iap. You know, sa lakas na sigawan dito, alas di mo rin madinig yung mga pito ng referees. And he knocks down the first free throw. Second free throw for big game James in this. Six and a half remaining in the third quarter. Santa Lucia on a tear. Here's Bitoy Molon. Bitoy guarded by James Yap. Bitoy Molon, nawala si James Yap. Binigay niya rito kay Dennis Espino. May mismatch against James. James falls down. Wala. And Espino takes advantage.
That's a good job on the part of the Realtors. That's experience. They talk about this team not having experience. That was an experienced play going to the big man in a mismatch.
James Yap, masyado malakas. Ito sa loob. There's Peter Jude Simon. They set it up. Simon. Who will they go to? Noy Castillo for 3. Too strong. And Santa Lucia grabbing that rebound. That's the thing that they talked about in the dugout, and that's what they're doing here in the third. Kelly Williams, strong move to the basket. He spins. He goes up. He does not get the basket. Bitoy mo lang for a tip and wala. Lead pass to Peter Jude Simon. Naagaw ni Joseph Yo. Yo to Williams. Hihingi ni Denok yung bola. Williams wants to go to their captain ball. He spins baseline. Dennis Espino. And you know, Dennis Espino, sinasabi nga natin, he wanted to get the crown back in game number 6. Had 22 points. Dennis Espino once again leading the way for the Realtors.
On the flip side, Richard, para kay Coach Ryan Gregorio, he's really shuffling his lineup right now. He knows in this quarter, seemingly, once again, nothing again working for his team. He started with a starting five that gave a solid start sa larong ito. It didn't work. Pinalitan niya, naglagay siyang tatlong gwardya. Pinagsabay niya, Castillo, Yapin, Simon. Ngayon, wala na naman yun. It didn't work. Now he switches over. Now he goes back. Kirby Raimundo, Adokol, and Pingris. He goes back now to his rebounding unit. Now let's see if this unit is going to be better than the last one.
Ito, Noy Castillo. Santa Lucia sticking to that zone defense.
Well, they went back to that zone dahil nawala na nga yung tatlong shooter ng Pure Foods. Yan, dalawa na lang. Ang natitira lang, PJ Simon at saka...
Oh! A big three-point shot by Peter Jun Simon.
Kailangan na kailangan yung puntos na yun, Richard. Pure Foods really bleeding for their points in this quarter. They needed that shot in the arm.
At ito rin po mga parakiyano ng Pure Foods ang sumisigaw ng defense. Is Dennis Espino. Dennis Espino goes up. Wala. Napunta kay Butay mo. One fake. And he is fouled.
In that sequence, Romel Adukol picking up his 5th personal foul. Kakapasok lang yan because ito Coach Ryan wanting to go with another lineup because the past lineup didn't work for him. Pero ito problema na naman para sa kanya sa pupuntang ito.
Izod, America's premium leisure wear, known for its technology-inspired clean designs and colorful product lines. Visit an Izod store now. Alright, ngayon po, 10 na lamang ito Santa Lucia Realtors. Ito na naman ang kanilang press, full court press.
We'll talk about controlling the tempo. Pure Foods, big change in this quarter. 4 turnovers and Santa Lucia taking advantage of it. One guy para sa Pure Foods that has been solid in this game. Their super sub, PJ Simon. Siya na ang top scorer para sa kanyang koponan with 16 points.
And keeping Pure Foods afloat here in game number 7. Dennis Espino, short jumper using the glass. Once again, Dennis the Menace.
No, but that's miscommunication on the part of that screen roll defense. Wala, pareho sila sumabay kay Denok Miranda. Iniwan pa nila si Dennis Espino.
And Peter Junsibon once again going straight to the basket. Pero ang Pure Foods hindi pwede mapagsagutan lang dito. Total of 18 for Peter Junsibon.
You know what's big about those 18 points, Richard? He's done it in 13 minutes. Every time pumapasok si Peter Junsimon, offensively, he has been a catalyst para sa kanyang TJ Giants.
And this time, it's an offensive foul called on Vitorio Molon. 3.5 remaining here in the exciting third quarter. Kirby Raimundo sumugod sa loob, pumihit, umangat, and he gets the basket. So unti-unti na naman bumabalik dito ang Pure Foods TJ Giants. Here's Joseph Yo. One fake. Takes it out. Norman Gonzalez for 3. And over the backhook.
Well, just like at the middle of this quarter, wherein Santa Lucia made its run, at this point, at the tail end of this third quarter, ito naman Pure Foods ang humaharurot. But right now, they are in the crest of their own run, eating into the lead of Santa Lucia.
They really can't afford to wait for the fourth quarter to make that run because you had more pressure to yourself. And bago pa yung tira na yan ni Jondan Salvador, nagkaroon na ng foul, a holding foul called against Norman Gonzalez. So 6-point lead dito para sa Santa Lucia. Tatangkang ibabayan ng Pure Foods in this possession. Roy Castillo against Ryan Reyes. Castillo looking for Kirby. Oh, kick ball. So Marrereset sa 14 seconds yung shot clock. It was down to only 6 seconds. So more time here for the Pure Foods TJ Giants to set up their offense. Here's Peter Jun Simon. Umangat! Gets a continuation. No foul back. And Peter Jun Simon.
You know, a lot of flack went to Peter Jun Simon after Game 5 when a lot was expected of him. Game 6, not a lot of things happening by Peter Jun Simon. Pero lahat yan, tila, bawing-bawi na dito sa ginagawang performance ni Peter Jun Simon. Peter Jun Simon already with 18 points, rather 20 points in 15 minutes of action. Make that 21. So lumalabas dyan, Richard. James Yap, slightly ineffective so far. Pero Peter Jun Simon able to carry and help his team stay close with the Santa Lucia Realtors.
Whose lead is now down to 3. Joseph Yo, kumalugang tira. Offensive rebound by Norman Gonzalez. And so it's a reversal of fortunes dito. Ngayon naman, to Santa Lucia is the ones crashing the board for more opportunities at the basket. Kirby Raimundo natawagan ng pang-apat na foul. So more problems. Apat para kay Kirby, 5 na kay Romel Adocul.
At to the fact, Mark Pingris, 4 na rin yan, Richard.
Alright, pasok yung unang free throw nitong si Norman Gonzalez as Denok Miranda checks back in the ball game. So everybody riding their A game. In the meantime, Van Heusen is the shirt of choice for the power dressers. Van Heusen dresses up the modern man endowed with distinction and clear-cut sense of style. Van Heusen best dressed shirt. Back to a 5-point lead for the Realtors. Is Noy Castillo. Castillo binigyan ng screen ni Kirby Raimundo. Denok Miranda trying to employ the same defense on Peter Simon. Tulad ng pagbantay niya kay James Yap. And Marlo Aquino matatawagan ng kanyang unang foul lamang, pero nasa penalty na nga itong Santa Lucia Realtors.
Marlo Aquino sticking his foot out and called for that foul.
Oh, Peter Jun Simon, kala niya, short yung tira, yung pala, ringless. Alright, so ito, James Yap, babalik na. 2 minutes and 15 remaining here in the third period. Pinalitan niya muna to si Kirby Raimundo dahil nga 4 na ang fouls ni Kirby Raimundo. Kakailanganin siya ni Coach Ryan sa ating payoff period. So now, titingnan natin paano magre-react dito ang coaching staff ni Santa Lucia. You have a double-barrel threat, Peter Jun Simon and James Yap in at the same time. Marlo Aquino and a foul by John Dan Salvador. Nasa penalty na rin po itong Pure Foods TJ Giants. And Marlo Aquino on the line. Aquino, first free throw. Nako, nagpuntis. And later on, itong foul situation natin, will play a major role. Mas lalo na sa endgame.
Lalo na free throw shooting, Richard. There's going to be a lot of free throws that are going to be attempted. And you know, you expect a game like this will go down to a difference of 2 to 5 points. And all of those could easily have come from free throws.
Well, Marlo Aquino missing 2 free throws. Ito na ngayon. Peter Jun Simon goes against the screen. Simon, he gets the basket. Peter Jun Simon once again. A total of 22 points for Peter, or 25 points for Peter Jun Simon. 14 in this quarter alone. Marlo Aquino, na double team, natabigan ng bola. 7 seconds na titira sa shot clock ng Santa Lucia.
At Richard, parang napaganda pa that James Yap struggling a bit in this game. Peter Jun Simon forced to take a lot of touches, and you can see the results para dito kay Peter Jun Simon. Only 1 miss so far, Peter Jun Simon from the field, and only 1 miss from the free throw.
Meantime, John Dan Salvador natawagan ng pang-apat na foul. Marlo Aquino had 2 misses previously. Ngayon po, na-adjustan niya kanyang tira. 5th point in the ball game para dito kay Skyscraper, pick number 1 back in 96. Has 2 PBA titles, looking for his 3rd. And this is his 6th finals appearance. Baksak si Mark Pingris. Ito na naman Peter Jun Simon. Simon, ayaw promeno talaga. And ang bola babalik dito sa Santa Lucia. Well, Simon was all alone that time.
Yeah, but a good job by Norman Gonzalez na tumulong para mawala yung bola dito kay Peter Jun Simon.
Santa Lucia attacking the post on every instant on their offense. Ito yung piyot ni Marlo Aquino. Hey, sumobra! Ang bola makukuha pa ni Ryan Rose.
Yeah, buti napansin mo, Richard, that ito Santa Lucia, they're going to the post. Itong Pure Foods, they are in penalty. You go to the post, really a lot of good things happen, especially if the other team is in penalty.
James Yap. Total of 10 points so far. Ang ganda ng pasa kay John Dan Salvador. May foul pa. Nobody running away from the challenge, mga kaibigan. And look at this great assist pass by James Yap to John Dan Salvador. Absorbs the contact, gets the basket. And completes the three-point play.
But right now, Pure Foods, nabanggit natin, they've had trouble sticking with Santa Lucia in the third quarter. So far in the third quarter, Santa Lucia only +2, meaning they scored two more points than Pure Foods. So good job of Pure Foods to stay in the game and not lose focus in the third quarter.
And now they have a chance to grab the lead in this possession. James Yap nahirapan sa kanyang dribble. Ginugulo. Got it over to Peter Jun Simon. Simon, siya na ang susugod. Tatapigan ng bola. Recovered by Denok Miranda. It's a foot race. Miranda against James Yap. Cross-court pass to Ryan Reyes. Kelly Williams, 3 seconds to shoot. Launches a three. That's short. And that will end it. Was wild and woolly fourth quarter. And the Araneta Coliseum, Santa Lucia, ending things in the third with a 1-point lead, 71-70. Score ngayon ay atid sa inyo ng San Miguel Beer Pilsen. Ang beer na walang katulad. We're about to start the fourth quarter of game number 7 as we go to the coach's corner. Coach Norman, Santa Lucia made a run at the start of the third quarter, but Pure Foods just refused to give up.
Well, really, Santa Lucia tried to deliver a knockout punch on the Pure Foods team, but really, Peter Simon was the one who really stepped up and really saved that third quarter for Pure Foods.
Coach, for Santa Lucia, Kelly Williams, 36 minutes so far in this game. Do you think he's ever going to see some time on the bench?
Maybe not. There's no time to rest right now. Anyway, if you lose or win, you can rest the rest of your season. So the next 3 weeks to the next conference begins. But if you look at this game, foul trouble might really determine who's going to win this basketball game. Both teams have a lot of players in foul trouble.
On the flip side, Coach Norman, with Pure Foods, Peter Jun Simon, he's been the hottest guy. We know Pure Foods likes to run a lot of screens and ISOs. Do you go to Peter Jun Simon now instead of James Yap in the fourth quarter?
Like we always say, Jason, this is crunch time, and you go to your best players. I think the ball's going to be in the hands of Kelly Williams and James Yap, and they probably will decide this series.
All right, thank you very much, Coach Norman, for your valuable insights as, Peter Jun Simon natawagan ng offensive foul. That's the second foul on Peter Jun Simon, as Coach Norman was saying. Really, foul situation will play a crucial factor. Not only that, nerves will play a crucial factor dahil fourth quarter na nga po ito ng game number 7. Face-up jumper by Marlo Aquino. Total of 7 points for the Skyscraper. So Pure Foods surviving that third quarter. Dahil game number 6, fourth quarter was the quarter of Pure Foods. And in this entire series, whoever wins the fourth quarter, siya yung nananalo ng ball game.
But an adjustment on the part of Santa Lucia. Remember that fourth quarter, Richard, Santa Lucia was in a zone defense. Nalibre si James Yap. Ngayon, hindi na nila papayagan mangyari yun ulit.
Quick pull-up by Kelly Williams. In and out. Marlo Aquino for that offensive rebound and a putback.
But that gets the Santa Lucia team on their feet.
Back to live action. Ito po si James Yap. And he gets his first 2 points of the fourth quarter. He ended the third quarter again with 10 points. Same as what happened in game number 6.
And his first shot, nakita natin dito sa fourth quarter, yung tira na yun, pasok. Remember, ganun din nagsimula yung 20-point performance niya in the last game.
Ito, missed by Marlo Aquino. Roger Yap ngayon nagbababa ng bola. And they're once again looking at James Yap. Tightly guarded by Denok Miranda. Binigyan ng screen ni Mark Pingris. Pingris ngayon ang sumugod. Gives it to Kirby Raimundo. 6 seconds to shoot. Kirby spins. Pasa niya. Naagaw.
A good help defense on the part of Santa Lucia. Pagka-spin ni Kirby, so many white shirts waiting for him at the post.
Here's Marlo Aquino working at Romela Ducoy. Marlo Aquino with a hook shot.
And every time Dennis Espino is about to check in, and you will see him, pagdaan natin ang camera dyan, ito si Marlo Aquino starts to make his basket. Para ito si Coach Boy, hindi niya na alam, papalitan ko ba si Marlo o hindi?
Ay, nandiyan pa rin si Dennis Espino sa sidelines. Ito ngayon si Roger Yap. Roger Yap, hinahanap si Kirby Raimundo. Trying to shake off itong si Ryan Reyes. Yap goes up! Yes! So it's like Pure Foods players saying that, sige, you want to bother up James Yap, kami na lang ang gagawa dito.
Yap and Simon, they have been attacking the basket. Hindi sila natatakot. Miski maraming shot blockers itong Santa Lucia.
And they will go to Marlo Aquino. Aducol has 5 fouls. Aquino ngayon, 5 seconds to shoot. Bumihit. Aquino, nice fake, kicks it out. 2 seconds to shot clock. And Miranda misses that one. Pingris, high up for the rebound. Lead pass to James Yap. James Yap against Denok Miranda. Side-stepping move to Slam. Again, a bola. It ends up with Kelly Williams. Running down court. Williams to Reyes. Yes!
That's what happens when you miss a layup on one end. Santa Lucia is a team that likes to run. They're a quick team. If you miss a layup in this league, you're going to pay with another layup on the other end.
James Yap for 3. Bang! A TM3 from James Yap. Is this a sign again for Pure Foods? Titingnan natin.
James Yap, simply one of the best fourth quarter scorers in the entire league. And he's one of the best big game players at nakikita natin yan. Nagsisimula nang pumasok ang mga tira ni James Yap.
Hindi nila may bigay kay Marlon bola. Ikot na lang sa other end. Here's Ryan Reyes. To Reyes. To Norman Gonzalez. Nabuso ang shot clock. Sabi na referee, teka lang muna, Roger. Set up niyo muna dahil inabot na nga ng shot clock. Ito Santa Lucia.
You know, those 11 points really showed that he's a post presence. Most of them coming here in the second half.
Pingris wants the basketball. Posting up against Vitorio Molon. Pingris ngayon. Na-double team. Nawala ng bola. Joseph Yeo gets it. At may kumapit dito kay Joseph Yeo.
But Kirby Raimundo picking up his 5th.
That's a 5th foul on Kirby Raimundo. So what's the move here by Coach Ryan? Will he stay with Kirby or pagpapahingay niya? Eto na, atakihin ka agad nila. Ito si Kirby Raimundo. Vitorio Molon making his move. Vitorio Molon. Nasa raduran is Joseph Yeo. Plenty of time. 10 seconds to shot clock. Yeo for 3. No. So Raimundo now with that rebound playing on borrowed time. James Yap goes closer. Nasa raduran. Eh, may foul na nakita si referee Boy Cruz. Kinapitan ni Joseph Yeo si James Yap.
James Yap is in this ball game. Pag nahawakan niya yung bola, Santa Lucia really ready to give up that foul.
Yap for 3. Bang! Another 2 from Joe Carlos Yap. A total of 18 points for big game James.
So we talked about it at the start of the game, Richard. Give James Yap a chance to win it for you in the fourth quarter. Right now, James Yap just dominating this game.
Espino, supalpal niya Aducol. That was a gamble on Romel Aducol, ha? He has 5 fouls.
But you can't quit now. You know those fouls, hindi mo na mauuwi yan. You have to play your defense and hope that the referees won't call a foul.
Baksak dito si James Yap and there's a blocking foul. Ball against Denok Miranda. Ryan Reyes checking back in place of Denok Miranda.
But here in the fourth quarter, James Yap owns Denok Miranda.
Ito na naman si James Yap for 3. Wala ko nalaglag from line. And the Pure Foods gallery ready to explode. Joseph Yeo goes outside. Left-handed layup is good. The Ninja slices the defense of Pure Foods and gives Santa Lucia back the lead.
Sakto-sakto sinabi mo, Richard. Parang ginamit niya yung samurai niya para makalusot ng tuluyan dun sa depensa ng Pure Foods. Another turnover para sa Pure Foods right now.
Well, just in time to catch that move by Dennis Espino, extending the lead of Santa Lucia to 3 points, 83-80. As makikita nga natin itong foul situation.
A lot of players from both teams really on the brink of graduating from this game. It is Game 7. You can't take home your fouls.
Pero parang ito ito yung mga main players ng Pure Foods ang may foul trouble. Niluwalang ng ring yung 3-point attempt na yan ni Noy Castillo.
Well, that's a heartbreaker para sa Pure Foods.
Under 5 minutes remaining here in the fourth quarter. Game number 7. Dennis Espino working against Aducol, kicks it out. Ryan Reyes for 3. Bang!
Up to this point, Ryan Reyes, before this game, only 1 out of 13 mula sa 3-point region.
What a big shot there by Ryan Reyes. Ito na ngayon si Noy Castillo, ginugulo ni Joseph Yeo. Looking for James Yap against Ryan Reyes. 9 seconds to shot clock. James Yap, chances inside. Wala. Nandiyan si Romel Adukol. Hook shot, masyado malakas. And Dennis Espino gets the rebound for Santa Lucia.
That's a couple of stops going in Santa Lucia's favor. One was a heartbreaker mula kay Noy Castillo, a 3-point shot. That one, the defense of Kelly Williams. This series or this game will be won by defense, and right now Santa Lucia's defense is stepping up.
Dennis Espino looking at the clock. Espino makes his move against Adukol. Espino gets the bounce. So Santa Lucia hitting one big shot after another. Samantala itong Pure Foods naghahanap ng kanilang puntos ngayon. They are down by 8 points. Here's James Yap. Against Ryan Reyes. Pulls up for 3. No! A couple of sorry misses para dito sa Pure Foods.
You have to feel for the Pure Food fans dahil nakita nila yun on the way down, just like we saw with Noy Castillo. A couple of 3-point shots, just an inch off. And this game, a game of inches, and that inch not going the favor of Pure Food.
Espino short on that 3-point attempt. There's Ryan Reyes. Wala pa rin. And Abulon hustles for that loose ball. All right, back inside the big dome. 3 minutes and 5 remaining here in the fourth period. Naman po ang Santa Lucia ng 8 puntos. Kanila pa ang bola. Joseph Yeo humingi ng screen kay Dennis Espino. Yeo against Mark Pingris. Looks at the clock. It reads 12 seconds. The shot clock. Joseph Yeo, Bumuelo. Joseph Yeo umatake. Joseph Yeo takes it out. It is tapped out. Meron pang 5 seconds sa shot clock ng Santa Lucia.
We talked about kanina nakita natin Peter Jun Simon going back to the bench. He had a solid game in the third quarter. Pumutok yan si Peter Jun Simon. Pagbalik dito, scoreless in the fourth.
Oh, what a big shot again by Dennis Espino. Santa Lucia now with a 10-point lead. The faithful of Pure Foods and the believers of Santa Lucia.
Right now, the believers, or rather the faithful of Pure Foods, need to increase their faith dahil down by 10, 2 minutes and 40 to go. They're gonna need some points in a hurry.
Ito na nga, nagmamadali si Raimundo pero naagawan siya ng bola.
Richard, in this quarter has been the quarter of Santa Lucia. Pure Foods only 10 points in this quarter. Santa Lucia, on the other hand, 19 points so far.
Here's Kelly Williams. He goes up, 15-foot jumper, short. Dela Miranda, sa palpal ni Kobe Raimundo. Lead pass to Peter Jun Simon. And Peter Jun Simon finally breaking the silence of the TJ Giants.
Just fitting that it's Peter Jun Simon scoring that basket. Ang tagal niya ring nawala sa pagkuha ng puntos para sa Pure Foods. He gets back into the game, he scores right away.
Ito na ang Outlast 2 minutes. Hatid sa inyo ng Outlast maintenance free batteries. Walang dagdag, bawas sa tubig. And Santa Lucia may be under 2 minutes away from getting their first All-Filipino Championship. Ito, Roger Yap with the inbound chores. Finds Kirby Raimundo. Kirby Raimundo umatake. Kirby Raimundo goes up. Wala. Napika ng bola. Mapupunta. Kanino? Kay Ryan Reyes. And there's a foul as called. I believe this will go against James Yap.
That's just about wanting it para dito kay Ryan Reyes. Jumped over the ball, was able to secure it even if marami ng patating ng mga Pure Foods TJ Giants. Before that though, Kirby Raimundo, that has been the half for him. Only 2 points in this half, really struggling offensively sa second half ng laro nito. Ito si Kirby.
Araneta Coliseum, over 18,000 fans. And Dennis Espino, 20 points in the second half. This is a conference high for Dennis Espino, 27 points so far. And took us in for Denok Miranda. In the meantime, titignan muna natin ang ating Buhay Coke shot. Ito, mapapanood natin ang kapitan ng Santa Lucia, Dennis Espino. That was our Buhay Coke shot brought to you by Coca-Cola. Lahat ng shots magaganda at walang katulad. Kaya Buhay Coke, buksan mo. A split from the line from Denok Miranda. Here's Roger Yap. Yap finds Peter Jun Simon. Simon ngayon, bigay kay Kirby. Shoots a three. He's strong. And Vitorio Molon gets a rebound. And no choice for Pure Foods but to foul. The team owner of Santa Lucia Realtor is obviously very happy, flashing the thumbs up sign. And Ryan Reyes increasing the lead of Santa Lucia. And Santa Lucia is on the verge of getting their first ever All-Filipino crown.
Ayun, Richard, this fourth quarter reminiscent of what this conference has been para sa Santa Lucia. Leadership by the veterans, Espino scoring big time, tapos yung ambag ng mga baguhan. Kaya ng ambag nito si Ryan Reyes.
But Roger Yap,
Santa Lucia, not really one of the better free throw shooting teams in the league. Actually, one of their problems is free throw shooting. And now Pure Foods lying their hope only on the free throw shooting of Santa Lucia.
and Santa Lucia has been very proud of their defense. And so far, here in game number 7, really forced a lot of turnovers on the part of the Pure Foods CJ Giants. Ito na ang inbound play. Roger Yap finds Noy Castillo. Fakes once. Takes it out to Kirby. Kirby shoots a 3. That's offline. Bitoy Omolon just holding on to the ball. And Roger Yap gives up the foul. 2 of 2 from the free throw line. But more importantly, it's been a defense also of Bitoy Omolon.
Remember, Bitoy Omolon, he's the one guarding Kirby Raimundo.
Oo.
Kirby Raimundo, like we said, only 2 points dito sa ating second half. The struggle para kay Kirby Raimundo, only 11 points para sa kanya.
Ayan po ang mga deboto ng Santa Lucia. Dennis Espino, the veteran, played like a veteran here in game number 7. Providing the experience for the Santa Lucia Realtors. Roger Yap again missing a 3. Sinabig ulit, balik kay Roger Yap. Roger Yap kicks it out to Noy Castillo. Extra pass to James. He had 4-3. Bang!
Yeah, para kay James Yap, did he actually have enough touches in the fourth quarter? Kanina, binabantayan siya ni Denok Miranda. He really owned Denok Miranda in that first couple of minutes of the fourth quarter.
Well, it's just a matter of dito sa ating fourth quarter, there was a stretch that Santa Lucia hit one big shot after the next. Ito naman Pure Foods simply could not buy a basket. And that proved to be the difference. So far, 40.6 seconds remaining.
The difference, Richard, has been turnovers. Para sa Pure Foods, they got 18 turnovers. Santa Lucia, only 4 turnovers in the entire game. Excellent number, whatever league you talk about. You know, that's been the story.
And Santa Lucia was able to get 20 points off those turnovers. And if you look at the score, they're up by 10 points. And that's really the key stat here in game number 7. Castillo fouling Dennis Espino. Here's the Santa Lucia bench. Just waiting for 31 more basketball seconds to start their celebration. A historical moment para dito sa Santa Lucia Realtors. Dennis Espino continuing to add on to his conference high production in scoring. 2 for 2 for Dennis Espino. A total of 29 para dito kay Dennis Espino. Peter Jude Simon. That's too strong. And Santa Lucia gets the ball. And Santa Lucia will just run down the clock. Santa Lucia will win game number 7 as Coach Ryan Gregorio approaches Coach Bayet Fernandez to congratulate the champions of the All-Filipino Cup. The Santa Lucia Realtors winning their first ever All-Filipino Championship. What seemed to be an improbable has happened, ladies and gentlemen, for the Santa Lucia Realtors. Nobody really giving them a chance at the start of the season, proving those straight wrong, and now they are the champions of the 2007-2008 Smart PBA Philippine Cup.
You know, it's all about how you finish. Santa Lucia, the hottest team at the end of the elimination. Tapos dagdag mo dyan, Santa Lucia wins the last game of the series. And obviously, if you win the last game of the series, that means you clinch the series and route, of course, Santa Lucia, unang pagkakataon nilang makamit ang Philippine Cup.
So ang ambisyon ng Santa Lucia na makakuha ng Corona sa All Filipino ay natupad na.
Before we award the championship trophy, magbigay-pugay muna tayo sa ating runner-up team na nagpakita sa atin ng isang magandang laban, ang inyong Pure Foods TJ Giants. May we call in the center court?
The Pure Foods Tender Juicy Giants.
Ladies and gentlemen, palakpakan po natin ang Pure Foods Tender Juicy Giants. And now, ang inyong champion team. Napakaraming pagsubok ang nilagpasan. Nakita natin ang Santa Lucia Realtors, ang bagong astig ng liga. Ladies and gentlemen, congratulations to our champions, the Santa Lucia Realtors.
Simulan ng laro, pataasan ng lundag. Laban kung laban, ito ang play. Pasa ang bola, pilitin kumupensa. Laban kung laban, jump shot, laging sigurado, walang makakatalo. Laban kung laban, defense, full court press, nag-aabang ng steal. Laban kung laban, laban kung laban, kailangan laging alisto, gamitin ang talino. Laban kung laban, box out, rebound, fast break, walang titigil. Laban kung laban, coast to coast, ito ang highlight reel. Slam dunk, laban kung laban.
All the fans, para sa inyo po itong aming championship. This is your championship, not ours. Sa lahat ng fans ng PBA. Maraming salamat po.
We call on Mr. Nelson Beltran, President, PBA Press Corps, to award our Finals MVP.
On behalf of the PBA Press Corps, I'm honored to announce that the Finals MVP is Dennis Espino.
Ang astig ng Liga, Dennis Espino, ang ating PBA Finals MVP. Congratulations, PBA fans. One more time, let's hear it for the Santa Lucia Realtors.
Sir, you were there in 2001, you won the championship. Now in 2008, All Filipino Championship. How does it feel, sir?
It's beyond our expression. This All Filipino means so much to us. From day one up to the seventh game of the championship, the boys really work hard. They sacrifice so much, and I think there is no denying. Nobody can deny the current group of Santa Lucia Realtors right now. From so-so performance, not only by winning the championship, I take pride that we are the most defensive team right now in the PBA. and that takes patience and dedication. That's why I told myself, boys, regardless of what happens tonight, I'm proud of you simply because lahat ito. Thank you for all the support. Mabuhay.
Marlu, congratulations! Third title mo as a player. Ano yung pagkakaiba nitong All-Filipino Championship na to para sa Santa Lucia Realtors?
Siyempre, ibang iba to. Last na champion kami sa Ginebra. May import na yun. Kami lang, all Filipino. Saka first time ng Santa Lucia. So, record, first time.
Pero kanina prinamis mo na mananalo kayo in today's game. And yun nga, nanalo kayo, pare.
Pare, nasa sakyan pa lang ako. Narinig ko na yung we are the champion. Kaya talagang pili ko, manalo kami. Binabati ko lahat ng mga fans sa Santa Lucia. Salamat! Ako muna! Songas champion! Aray taga Pangasinan! Aray Santa Barbara! Diyan Palawak! Diyan Bugalyon! Diyan Aray Karaal! Amiga taga Pangasinan! Lapit sa kayo namin! Tigbesa! Limbanan! Iglo! Saka Craft! Ganda kami sa inyo! Dali, mga meron pa! Ikaw! Babati ka ba?
Babati ako! Binabati ko yung tatay ko sa Qatar!
Aray taga Nasangan! Lapit kayo!
Saka sa mga sukat
Taga
po sa
Santa Barbara! Ate, sino ba?
Santa Lucia!
Mga anak ko! Kamusta?
Uy, nanonood! Ano ko?
Dali, sino ba? May interview ka ba? Ikaw! Ano masasabi mo, pare?
Okay, congratulations, pare! Back to you, Eric. Dennis, grabe yung nilaro mo. Bakit ba pag lalo ka tumatagal sa liga, parang lalo kang bumabatan? Best player of the conference ka pa ngayon.
Well, unang-una, nagpapasalamat ako kay Lord sa lakas na binigay sa akin tsaka sa team. Yun lang, talagang siguro focus lang talaga ang pinaka-motivation namin. Sabi ko nga sa mga teammates ko na wala nang bukas to. So game 7, so ibigay na natin lahat na nalalaman natin. So sinwerte, binigay sa atin ng Panginoon. Gusto kong bumati Unang-una, binabati nyo, yung mga kaibigan ko rito, kumpare ko. Salamat. Sana huwag kayong magsawa sumuporta, pare. Maraming salamat, tsaka lalo na sa asawa ko, tsaka sa mga anak ko, sa suporta nyo. Maraming salamat.
Okay, thank you very much, Dennis. Congratulations. Richard, Bitoy, first championship mo to, all Filipino pa. Ano nararamdaman mo?
Napakasaya. Una-una, nagpapasalamat ako sa Panginoon. I will give all the praises and glory to God. Sobrang saya. First time lahat. Simula college, BBL. Hindi ko nasubukan mag-champion. So, napakasarap. Hindi ma-express yung feeling. Nung patapos na kayong oras parang gusto mo na hindi mo na alam yung nararamdaman mo. Parang naginip lang.
Ano masasabi mo sa dinami-dami Santa Lucia fans na dumulong ngayong gabi?
Una, nagpapasalamat kami sa mga fans, saka sa mga players nyo. Lalo na yung taga sa amin, sa Talakag Bukidnon, sa mga pastors sa Metro Cagayan, sa mga kamag-anak ko dun sa Cebu, sa taga Kaobian Island, at saka sa mga kapatid ko at sa pamangkin dun sa Houston, Texas. At saka sa, Sumila, Pasig, kay Tatay Manny.
Okay, thank you. Congratulations. Richard, well, Ryan, you played tough tonight. Coming back from game number 6, I know that was really tough for you, but you simply hit that, crucial jumper in the corner in the fourth quarter.
First of all, I just want to thank God. Without Him, none of this would be possible. But during that shot, I just thought to myself, just keep shooting. Even though it's not going into the past few games, just keep shooting. They'll come in one time.
Your championship came in so fast. This is just your first conference in your first year in the PBA.
It was fast. Didn't think it'd be this fast, but it's a blessing. Yeah. I just want to say hi to my family back home, Christine, my two boys, Jalen and Brent. I love you guys. All right.
Thank you, Ryan. Denok, mabigat yung depensa na ginawa mo kay James Yap all series long. Talagang nagpakahirap ka, sinakripisyo mo. Ano nararamdaman mo ngayon? At nagbunga yung paghihirap mo?
Siyempre, masaya. Lahat ng pagod, lahat ng effort binigay ng team. Kaya sarap ng feeling. Saka ngayon na lang ulit nag-champion, last yung sa FPU pa. Kaya yun, masaya. Kami dalawa Joseph, galing kami sa Coke. Kaya ayos. Pwede ba bumati?
Pwede.
Nabati ko ulit yung tatay ko sa Qatar, saka yung mga nanonood dyan, yung mga fans sa Santa Lucia, saka mga tiga-sukat Muntinlupa. Kumusta kayo dyan, yung mga diehard Santa Lucia? Yeah.
Thank you, Denok. Punta naman tayo kay Joseph. Joseph, nabanggit nga ni Denok na kagaling nyo lang ng Cook. Tama-tama naman yung pagkakapasok ng Santa Lucia, champion pa, at nagamit ka pa ng husto dito sa Santa Lucia.
Oo nga, yun nga, swerte talaga na na-trade ako dito. Yun nga, nabigyan ako ng chance ni Coach Boy and ni Boss Buddy na nagtiwala sila sa talent ko na kaya ko pala mag-retire sa PBA.
You played really big several times. Grabe, you came up big with some of big shots. You lifted Santa Lucia up. Ano nararamdaman mo ngayon sa dinami-dami ng fans ng Santa Lucia? Parati kang chini-cheer.
Yun nga, ako naman I accepted my role lang here talaga. Parang coming off the bench, ako yung spark dito. So, yun nga, I'm very happy na yun nga, sa mga fans ng Santa Lucia na yun nga, chini-cheer nila ako. So, thank you sa lahat na Pero, ayun. Pero po bumati.
Pwede.
Batiin ko lang yung si Angela, kay Tita Ibet, kay Lopez Quezon, kamusta kayo dyan? Kay Tina and kay Coach Cesar and lahat ng mga relatives ko sa Zamboanga, sa Cebu, yung sa parents ko, mga friends ko. Yung thank you sa lahat na nag-support sa akin.
Thank you, Joseph. Congratulations. Richard, Jason, well, how does it feel now to have this net, around your neck?
It feels great. From all the hard work from Boston and just all the games and the hard-fought wins and just the struggles we went through as a team throughout the conference to get through the semis and then get to a strong team like Pure Foods now is just a sigh of relief, and to win this championship with these guys, it's just been awesome. I'm ready to relax. And get home to my fiance in Nebraska. Erica, if you're watching, I love you. My mom, I know you're watching in Detroit. I love you, all my family and friends, all you guys that's been praying for me, praying for the team, and sticking with us through everything. We appreciate you. I appreciate you guys. I love you. This championship is for all you guys.
What can you say about this veteran right here who took charge in the fourth quarter?
This guy, he's not as lazy as everybody thinks. No, he's the one that kept everybody together. Him and Cap, the veterans that kept all the young guys together, keeping their heads in the game, and just helping us to be patient and just stick with our games and work within our rules and our offense and defense and everything like that. So these guys just been great. Marley's been on my back from the beginning, and sometimes it's irritating, but it paid off at the end.
Thanks a lot, Kelly. Enjoy this win. Meron pa rin nakalimutan si Marlo Aquino.
Si Tatay Manny, binabati ko, nanonood. Tatay Manny, pagaling ka ha. Yossi ka ulit. Mga taga-MTV, salamat.
Ayun na po, narinig natin si Marlo Aquino.